Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks. Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Agriculture, SOA, Awareness Program on Value-Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, APVPFV, NPV001 Module-4 Processing and Value Addition for Frozen Fruits and Vegetables 1.0 Introduction. You may have observed that fruits and vegetables spoil quickly during summer months when temperatures are very high, but they keep better during winter season. Longer shelf life during cooler periods is due to the fact that the undesirable changes are slowed down at low temperature and microorganisms are unable to cause spoilage. Figure 1. By freezing, fresh-like qualities of fruits and vegetables can be retained for a very long time. Among various methods of preservations, best retention of natural freshness of fruits and vegetables is achieved by freezing. In general, economic status of people in India has improved, and this has raised demands for food products of superior quality, including frozen fruits and vegetables. Frozen products are those which reach the end user in frozen state. It makes it necessary that fruits and vegetables, after freezing, should be maintained in frozen condition during storage, distribution, sale and at the home of the consumer till it is consumed. 1.1 Objective. Upon completion of this unit, you will be able to understand the advantages of freezing fruits and vegetables by freezing over other methods of preservation. Learn the process of freezing fruits and vegetables. Assess the requirements for storage and distribution of frozen products. 1.2 Freezing process. Steps involved in freezing of fruits and vegetables are selection of raw material, sorting, grading, washing, preparation, peeling, slicing, trimming, etc., blanching, for vegetables, packing, freezing and frozen storage. Actual steps involved in freezing and their sequence varies according to the nature of the commodity and method of freezing. For freezing, best quality raw material is selected, appropriate variety is identified, and they are harvested at a stage which is suited for the table purposes. Fruits and vegetables should be wholesome, free from diseases and pests, and reasonably free from disorders like blemishes and injuries. They should have uniform appearance and maturity and attractive color. Fruits should be at table-ripe stage unless specified otherwise by the buyer. Vegetables deteriorate fast after harvest. Therefore, they should be frozen quickly. On arrival at plant, fruits and vegetables are sorted to remove defective/damaged pieces. In the next step, they are graded to get commodity of uniform quality, size, shape, color, maturity, etc. They are peeled and trimmed to remove inedible parts. Fruits and vegetable of large size like apples, cauliflower, etc. is cut into smaller pieces. Color of peeled and cut vegetables may become dark quickly due to action of enzymes. Therefore, they are blanched. Vegetables are blanched by dipping in hot 85°, 100°, water or steam for 1 to 6 minutes and then cooled quickly in cold water. Fruits are not blanched. They are dipped in solution of sulfur dioxide to check activity of enzymes. Other chemicals like ascorbic acid, vitamin C, calcium salts, citric acid, common salt, pectins, etc., and sugar syrup and brine may also be used to treat the fruits. Nature and amount of the chemicals used for pre-treatment depends upon the type of fruit. Prepared fruits and vegetables may be packed and frozen, or they may be frozen first, followed by packing. Sequence of freezing and packing steps depends upon the equipment employed for freezing. This matter will be explained in subsequent paragraphs. Two types of freezing equipments are commonly used to freeze fruits and vegetables: plate freezers, FIG2, or IQF freezers. In plate freezers, fruits and vegetables are packed in rectangular packets and then frozen. In IQF freezers, material is first frozen and then packed. Two examples of IQF freezers used widely in the industry are air blast freezers and fluidized bed freezers. You may have seen in Figure 1 that pure water freezes, i.e., becomes ice at 0 oc. But in fruits and vegetables, freezing starts at lower temperature. In this figure, Fig 1, you may have also observed that below 18 oc no microorganism can grow, they die slowly. Therefore, fruits and vegetables are cooled to 18 oc. In slow freezing, large ice crystals are formed which destroys texture of fruits and vegetables. But ice crystals formed during quick freezing process are very small in size. Therefore, freezing of fruits and vegetables should be completed within a very short period. This freezing should be done very quickly, in 2 to 15 minutes. For this purpose, packed or unpacked fruits and vegetables are kept in freezers, which operate at 40 to 30 oc. Frozen fruits and vegetables should be stored in such a way that ice is formed in them do not melt. In addition, as explained to you in the above paragraph, their temperature should remain at 18 oc or below throughout storage and distribution. Frozen products must be kept at 18 oc or below till it is consumed. Temporary breakdown or fluctuations in temperature during storage and transport will result in loss of texture. Figure 3 shows the temperatures maintained in household refrigerators and its freezer chest, food freezers, factory cold stores, and industrial cold stores. It shows that temperature within freezing chest of household refrigerators is 18 oc or more. Therefore, it is not suited for satisfactory storage of frozen fruits and vegetables. Frozen fruits and vegetables are thawed before use. The process of melting ice in a frozen food is known as thawing. If frozen fruits are to be served as a dessert without cooking, the best method of thawing is to keep them in a refrigerator overnight. Alternatively, it may be kept in air at room temperature for about 4 hours. Vegetables are cooked before consumption. Therefore, frozen vegetables are put directly in boiling water or heated in steam. Industrially, frozen vegetables may be thawed under vacuum using steam as heating medium. Microwave heating can also be used for thawing. 1.3 About frozen fruits. Fruits may be frozen in 3 forms: as whole fruit or pieces, as pulp/juice, or as juice concentrate. Freezing process for the above 3 types of products are different. Process for freezing whole fruits/pieces is illustrated in Figure 4, taking apples as an example. Apples, varieties like Golden Delicious, washing, sorting and grading, peeling and coring. Keep apples in brine, trimming, slicing, inspection, dipping in sulfide solution, keeping slices in packets, covering with syrup containing ascorbic acid, freezing in plate freezer at -300 C, storage at -180 C. Frozen apples. 1.4 About frozen vegetables. For freezing vegetables, you should select appropriate variety. All the varieties of a vegetable do not give good frozen product. Harvested vegetables should be frozen quickly. Stored vegetables give frozen products of poor quality. Freezing process for vegetables is illustrated in Figure 5, taking green peas as an example. Green pea pods, depodding, sorting and grading. Bold, smooth surfaced bar, sweeter taste. Blanch in boiling water, cool on cold water. Freezer in IQF freezers, store at -180 C. Frozen green peas. 1.5 Names of fruits and vegetables which can be frozen. Almost all types of fruits and vegetables can be frozen, but fruits like mango, melons etc. give good frozen products only when they are packed in syrup. A brief list of these fruits and vegetables is given in Table 1. Table 1. Some of the fruits and vegetables which can be frozen. Fruits, vegetables: apples, cherries, mango, melons, pineapple, strawberries, juice concentrates, bell pepper, carrots, cauliflower, green beans, green peas, okra, potato. 1.6 Testing defects of frozen fruits and vegetables. Frozen fruits and vegetables may suffer from loss of quality due to I. Inferior raw material, 2. Improper preparation before freezing, such as incomplete washing/peeling/blanching, etc. 3. Poor packing, or 4. Lack of temperature control during storage, transport and distribution. Appearance of dry and bleached spots on the surface is due to poor packing. Frozen fruits and vegetables may develop undesirable smell and color during storage if enzymes remain active. To test these defects, thaw frozen product, spread it and observe its texture, color and aroma. 1. 7. Keeping quality of frozen fruits and vegetables. Temperature of frozen fruits and vegetables must be maintained at 18 degrees or less during storage. Under these conditions, the frozen products have long shelf life. Frozen vegetables like carrot, green peas etc. can be kept for 1 year under good conditions. Unblanched vegetables can be stored for about a month. Frozen fruits can be stored even longer. Fruits frozen in syrup have longer shelf life than the dry packs. 1.8 Let us sum up. Fruits and vegetables deteriorate quickly during storage at room temperature. Warmer the weather, faster is spoilage. By freezing, their temperature is brought to a very low level. Therefore, freezing preserves fruits and vegetables for a long time. Best quality raw material of appropriate variety is selected for freezing. They are graded, washed, and peeled/sliced. Vegetables are blanched. Prepared material is frozen and then packed. In some case, they are packed, covered with syrup/brine and then frozen. Freezing process should be completed in less than 20 minutes. Frozen products must be kept below 18 degrees during storage, transportation and distribution. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.